5-Minute Crafts made toothpaste tablets and I wanted to try them for myself. One of my favorite accounts on the internet, 5-Minute Crafts, made a video called 26 Smart Travel Hacks to Solve All Your Problems. And about a minute in, they made travel toothpaste tablets. And I wanted to try it for myself. So let's first watch what they did and let's recreate it. Alright, they got some parchment paper, spreading around some toothpaste. Then they sprinkling it really lightly with baking soda. And then now it's magically hard. Or at least that's what it looks like. And it's ready to go anytime you need a quick little toothpaste for travel. You want to stick it in your purse, your backpack, whatever it is. That's what it seems like, so let's try it out. So the first thing that we had to do was grab some parchment paper. And I tried out 3 different types of toothpaste because I didn't know which one's gonna work out super well for this. And also I wanted to have just a little bit of color, a little bit of variation. So we have this Supreme toothpaste, this like charcoal, regular toothpaste swirl, and then we have a clear toothpaste as well. No clue how they're all gonna turn out, but let's give them a try. So I just scooped them all out onto this parchment paper, put baking soda all over, and I let them sit. Now when I see a 5-Minute Crafts video, I'm expecting all of these things to take me around 5 minutes. But guess right now in the comments how long you think it took before this toothpaste dried out, because it actually took not 5 minutes, but 50 hours. Yes, almost 2.5 days it took for these toothpaste tablets to dry up, and they're not even fully hard. Like, they're still kind of squishy. The translucent ones didn't really dry up, they're still a little bit wet. I think the Supreme toothpaste did the best. They're pretty much the hardest, but I don't know how I feel about this whole layer of baking soda, so we're gonna give it a try. It had a really weird consistency when I put it in my mouth. It was kind of like a gum, it was kind of chewy, and it took a lot longer than I expected to melt, as it was supposed to once you get some water. But it did work pretty well like a regular toothpaste after about a minute or so in my mouth. So pretty much, 5-Minute Crafts, big L. I didn't like this at all. They didn't get hard, they got kind of squishy, and I feel like if they're sitting in that container, this container for that long, they're honestly gonna become one giant clump again. So I didn't like this at all, and I wouldn't try it. If you want some type of travel toothpaste, you can go check out these they make these toothpaste tabs that actually work pretty good. I'm not the biggest fan, but I mean, for anybody that wants something to travel with or just have a few in your backpack or something like that because you don't want to carry around toothpaste, I get it. But pretty much, would I make these toothpaste tablets at home and carry them around seriously? Absolutely not. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to comment, subscribe, and give this video a big thumbs up. And don't forget to smile. Peace!